If you love Bath and Body Works candles, you clicked on the right video. Hey there, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, or welcome if you're new. Candle Day 2021. Ooh, it is approaching, and you want to get in on this if you are a candle freak, okay? And you want to be prepared for this. Now, there's a couple pointers that you should keep in mind for the best possible candle day. Starting with number one, you want to make sure that you are prepared ahead of time and you know what scents you want. I would say go as far as going into the store ahead of time, taking a whiff of what you might like and making a note of that. Yes, if you love candles that much, I expect you to be doing that. I should be seeing you in the store. You'll want to pair some holiday scents with some non-holiday scents. Depending on how much you're going to stock up, if you're going to have candles that are going to go beyond the holiday time, then you want to be able to have those scents on rotation and have them ready to pull out too. Do you have a scent that you just couldn't find when you went into the store, but it might come back in? Keep it on your list. It might come. You might actually see it. They love to bring things back randomly during these big events. So if you have a favorite that disappeared, it might come back. Yes, that includes your summer favorites. Another pro tip is if you have your family member, boyfriend, fiance, husband, brother, a strong friend, strong sis, you know, you might want to bring them with you because depending on how much candles you're going to get, they're going to get real hefty. And I can already tell you that 6 candles alone is already going to start to feel a little dense. And then as soon as 12 adds up, like it's going to get heavy. It's going to get heavy. If you know you're going to buy more than 6, more than 8 candles, then keep in mind, like, either work out ahead of time or bring a friend or bring somebody that'll help you carry these things, you know. If you're able to as well, make sure you park close enough so that you're able to bring your stuff from the store to your car and hopefully not fatigue and drop your items because that'll be bad. Shop online and in store. Okay, whatever you don't find in store, you'll be able to find it online. Maybe you came in a couple days earlier and you saw the candle and then you came into the store and you couldn't find the candle. So if you're able to find it online, just buy it online. You know, the sale is going to be in store and online so that, you know, you're able to grab your things in person and follow up with online and vice versa. Whatever you don't find online, maybe you can find it in person, maybe you can find something new, but either way, if you're going to be, especially bulk buyers, my bulk buyers, definitely both online in store. Bath and Body Works, remember, keep in mind they have their 100% guaranteed policy. So if you want to get a certain scent, it's out of stock, maybe online and in store, and you know it's going to come back, then grab a filler. Grab a candle or 2 that you can eventually swap out later on. It's totally okay. It's part of the policy. If it's unused especially, you can bring that candle back in, swap it out, and then you'll have the candle that you want. But that's definitely good for place holding if you know you want that scent so bad, or if you know you want a certain number of candles and it just ran out, then swap it back later. And if not already, make sure you're subscribed to their emails. That's the best way to get the fastest news. Like, I'll know about things so super fast because they like emailing you like twice, once in the morning, once at night, about what's going on that day and what's going on the next day. So, and things are always rotating too. So it's just a good idea if you are a Bath and Body Works freak, then just make sure you're subscribed to their emails. I should also make a note, you should follow their social media channels too, because they tend to post things maybe quicker or sooner on their socials versus maybe the email that hasn't quite got to your inbox yet, or it's buried and you haven't seen it yet. If you follow them on like Instagram, you'll be able to get information from them much quicker versus like hopping into your email and digging for that email. You know what I mean? It's like it's a bit more convenient. Plus, you can also see in the comments like what other people are sharing and talking about for that promotion. Um, they often share information, like the ones like the OGs of Bath and Body Works, like they'll share some stuff for you too. So social media is definitely convenient too, so follow them there for quick and updated information. So that is all the major stuff that you should know about the 2021 Candle Day for Bath and Body Works. Be sure to subscribe for more self-care info, and until next time, see ya. Bye.